This is the M&Sense Puffy Cloud Dream Soy Large Candle, a hefty 35-ounce, 150 hour, I guess that's 990 grams worth of soy delight. It smells wonderful, and I've been through this brand of large candles 3 times now. I have the patchouli vase here. I've recycled this. I now use this giant vase for my plants. And I also have the green one. Unfortunately, I've taken the labels off, but you can see that it's indeed msensefragrance.com. Made in China and shipped very nicely, very quickly. Was very pleased with these. And it's the next day, and I've moved my candle to another room. It's been going for hours and hours now, and I've only had to trim the wicks one time after all this, and it's just going on and on. The air smells fluffy and yummy.